In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Windows 10 bootable flash drive. Okay, so you also need two things in this video. So you need a flash drive and you need a Rufus. We'll be using Rufus to create your Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So then if you don't have it, you can just head on to Google. Then you can type in download Rufus. Click on the first link. Okay, then you want to scroll down and download the latest one. Okay, download the latest one here, which is download Rufus. As you can see, it's 1.3 megabytes, so it's very small. So once it's downloaded, you can go to file location and just double click on that. Okay, so I'll minimize everything in the background. Okay, so now you want to get your flash drive, plug it into the PC. Okay, so once that USB has been plugged into the PC, you will see it will bring the device name there and how many gigs it is. Okay, so you want to click on select. So here to ask you to locate the image. Okay, so in this case I'll go into my systems. I'll look for my Windows 10. Okay, so let's see the found it, Windows 10 here, Windows 10 Pro. I'll double click on that. So as you can see here, boot selection, I've chosen my Windows 10 there. Then under image options, I've selected standard as default. So then if your system is old, you want to change this setting to MBR, so that will work for all the PCs that are using the BIOS system. Then if you're using GPT, this will work for only newer PCs and BIOS which are using UEFI. Okay, so this won't be supported if you're using a old PC. Then what you want to do after setting that up, you just want to press on start and leave it to do its thing. So once it will bring this error message here or warning, so you just have to say continue. So it will clear your drive, format it, and start creating the partitions and putting in all the files that are necessary for that bootable drive. Then once that starts, just leave it until it's completed. Then it's ready to be used as a Windows 10 bootable flash drive.